Yes है ना?
Square roots and cube roots.
Square and square roots ना? Okay.
And yeah.
Square, square roots, cube and cube roots. We have completed it.
Yeah,
Okay.
and then we completed it. And then we were doing prime factorization.
Prime factorization. We have already completed the prime factorization, right? Today
Yes.
we have to learn highest common factor, right?
Yes.
Highest common factor, right?
Yeah.
Let's see here. As you can see here, there are three words: highest common factor, right? है ना? The first one, as you can see here, this is the factor, right? है ना?
Yes.
We have already know about the factors, right? Can you define the factor?
Factor is a number
Divide.
which divides by a specific number.
No. Here
By
you are.
a composite number.
No. Here you are saying कि factor is a number which divides by another number, right? है ना?
Yes.
It's mean कि A is dividing by B, right? Suppose A is 4, it is dividing by 2. So 4 is the factor. 4 is the factor or 2 is the factor?
2 is the factor.
2 is the factor na. So here we can say कि a number through which we can divide another number without leaving any remainder, है ना? So that number will be known as the factor for the given number, right? Is it clear? Okay. See here. Let's see some examples. 8 and let it be 42, okay? Or here 32 and 42, okay? 32 and 42, okay? Now can you please tell me what are the factors for 32?
1, 2, 1, 2.
Yes. Yes, you are going correct. Check with 3, then 4.
No,
apply the divisibility rule.
3 is not there.
Then 4.
No.
4 is not the factor of 32. 32 is not the multiple of 4.
Yes it is.
Then it will be, na?
Yeah, 8.
So it will be 4. After this 6, 5, 6,
No.
7,
No.
8.
Yes.
8, yes, it will be, है ना? Now after that,
Another. 32.
yeah, one more, 2 more. 16. 2 in 16 times 32. So 16 in 2 times 32, right? है ना? Then after this it will be 32, right? Now after for 42. After this for 42. Let it starts with 1, then 2. After this 3.
Yes.
Yes, 3. Then 4. 4.
No.
5.
No.
6.
Yes.
7.
Yes.
8.
No.
Then
14.
14, very good. Next.
21.
21, very good. And the last one?
And 42.
42, same, है ना? As here I already teach you a trick ना, कि when you will write it and from where it will repeating, then you have to come reverse, है ना? Like this, 1 42 times, 2 21 times, 3 14 times,
15 times.
6 7 times. So now as you can see here, you will get the repeated number 6 7 times, 7 6 times, means after the 7 you have to come reverse, 6 7, then 14 32 21 and 42, right? है ना? Okay, so these are the factors of 32 and 42, right? So here we have cleared the first word, that is factor. Now come to the common word. Come to the word that is common. Here it's means saying we have to see the number which are common factor, in this two. What are the common? As you can see here, the first one is 1. Next, here we will write the common, है ना?
Yes.
Common factors of 32 and 42. What are they? So they are 1. After this, yes, tell me. See here, see the list or the numbers.
2 and 2.
2. The second number is 2. So here we will write
2.
2. Next,
That's it.
Okay. As you can see here we get the two factors as common factor for 32 and 42, right? Is it clear?
Yes.
Now let's see the third word. See the third word. The third word is highest. It's mean we have to check the number which is highest in common factor for 32 and 42. Okay, so can you tell me which number is the highest number? 1 or 2?
2.
2. So here we will say highest common factor of 32 and 42, it is 2, right?
2. Yeah.
Yes, it is 2, है ना? Okay, so did you understand the concept of highest common factor? It's mean, as here it is factor, we find the factor common, we select the common, and in the common numbers, among the common numbers, we have to select the highest common number, or that will be highest common factors. Okay, is it clear or any doubt? So highest common factor is a number which can divide the both number or the given numbers. Okay, is it clear? Any doubt? Any doubt?
No.
No. Then please note down it. Chahana, can you please tell me why it is highest common factor? Why it is not lowest common factor? Why it is highest common factor?
Is it because that number when it's multiplied,
Huh?
the number which gives the number, it's actually the highest.
Sorry, I didn't understand what you want to say.
I didn't understand what I said either.
Okay, no problem. Just try it. Why it is highest common factor? Why it's not lowest common factor? It can be, na? It can be, right? But it's not. Why? Have you ever learnt lowest common factor? I think you have learnt lowest common multiple, but you didn't learnt yet a lowest common factor, right?
Yeah.
Huh. So I think it should this question should come in your mind, right? So did you get this question till yet? No. Okay, no problem. Now, today I asked this question or raised this question. So just think why it's the highest common factor. Why it is not lowest common factor also. You can find it by yourself. Here just you have to just go in the basic concepts of the highest common factor. Acha, let's take one more example. Okay. See, as here I am writing 9 and the second number is 27. Okay. Take. What are the factors for 9?
9, 3, 1, 3, 9.
Okay. 27.
1, 3, 1, 3, 9,
Yes.
27.
27. That's all. Right? Acha, did you remember what was the factors for 32 and 42? What were the, not factor, what were the common factors?
1
Common
and 2.
factors for 32 and 42. It was 1 and 2, right? है ना? It was 1 or 2. Here 2 is the highest common factor, right? Now come to this topic. What will be the highest common factors of 9 and 27? Common factors?
1, 3, and 9.
Yes. 1, 3 and 9. Okay. So it will be 1, 3, 9. Which one will be highest common factor?
9.
9. It's too simple, right? Now did you get it? Why it can't be lowest common factor? Because if I will ask from you that Hana, can you tell me the lowest common factor for 32 and 42? Lowest common factor means that smallest number which should be common and also the factors. It will be
1.
for 9 and 27.
9.
9 and 27.
1.
Again the question will be, and again the answer will be
1.
1. You can also take some more examples, right? है ना? As an example, takes 25 and 35. What are the factors for 25?
1, 5, 1, 5, and 1, 5, and 25.
25, that's all. For 35?
1, 5, 7, 35.
35. Very good. What will be the common factors?
1, 5.
1 and 5. Right? As you can see here, the common. Which one will be the highest common? Highest common?
5.
5. And what will be the lowest common? Lowest. So in each case, if we will find the lowest common factor, the answer will be 1, right? So that's why we didn't learn the lowest common factor, or we didn't find the lowest common factors for 2 or more numbers. Did you get it? Hana? So I said, nah, it's too simple. You have to just apply the basic concepts. Okay. That's why we learned for highest common factor, not for lowest common factor. You can also ask with your friends. Okay. They will be definitely surprised. Okay, from you. Right? Hana? So whenever you will learn any concept, try to learn all the sides of that concept. Okay. That if we are learning highest common factor, then why we are not learning the lowest common factor? But it can be, na? We can find it, right? But in the all case, or in each every case, the answer will be 1. So that's why we didn't find the lowest common factor, or we didn't learn the lowest common factor, right? But for our knowledge, we should learn it, है ना? So that's why I discussed here. Okay, so from the next time, if anyone will ask from you, you can give the answer, right? Okay, yeah. So if you want to note down it, you can also note down it, है ना? The concept why we didn't find the lowest common factor. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Or any doubt till here?
No.
Okay.
No.
Now you can find the highest common factor for any number.
Yes.
Okay. Acha, let's see here, Hana. Now we will learn the methods for finding HCF. है ना? In short, it is called as HCF, right? Highest common factor. So here we will learn methods for finding HCF. है ना? So what are the methods? Do you know it? What are the methods?
The ladder.
हाँ, the ladder, that one, the ladder one we use in LCM, not HCF. Okay. Now, yes, tell me.
I don't know.
Basically, we use total 3 different methods. Okay. The first one is listing factors, or you can say listing method. Listing method. Second one, yes, tell me.
I don't know.
Prime factorization method. It is prime factorization method. Okay. And the third one. And the third one.
I'm not.
Long division method.
Long division.
Yes. Do you know it?
Yes.
Okay. So do you know all three's method?
I don't know listing method.
Listing method. Just now we learned it.
Oh, that one.
Yeah, that example. That was the listing method. Because we are doing in a list wise, na? We are listing the factors, right? So in this way you can differentiate or learn it or remember it, है ना? Many times a student confused on these methods, okay? But you should not be confused. The meaning or the trick is already hidden in the name, okay? As here the listing method, just like an example, suppose find the HCF for 12 and 16, okay? So by listing method, okay? Is it clear?
Yes.
By listing method, the meaning is already hidden here, or the trick, you have to make the list. You have to make the list of factors. ठीक है? You have to make the list of factors. So first make the list of factors for 12. What are they?
2, 1, 2.
Start from 1. 1.
2, 3, 4.
Good.
6,
Yes.
12.
12. Very good. है ना? Okay. After this, for 16, what are the factors?
1, 2, 4, 8. 16.
Good. Okay. Now common factor.
1, 2, 4.
1, 2, 4. Okay. Now in this list, see the highest number. Highest number is?
4.
So 4 will be the common factor, highest common factor for 12 and 16. Okay. Now as you can see here we are making list. है ना? List of factors for 12, list of factors for 16, list of common factors for 12 and 16, and among that we have to choose the highest one, right? So in this way you can remember it. It's too simple, right? Now come to prime factorization method. Prime factorization method. Okay, it's also too simple. Let's see here. Here we have to prime factorize it, है ना? The meaning is already hidden here. Prime factorization. It's mean we have to just prime factorize it. Okay. In the rough, you can do it anywhere. Just prime factorize 12, है ना? Prime factorize to 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 3 are 6. 3 1 are 3. So what we will get? 12 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. This can be written as 2 to the power 2 into 3. Now let's do for 16. Tell me. 2 8 is 16. Yes.
2 4s are 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2.
Okay. 2 1s are 2. Now 16, है ना? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 1, right? This can be written as 2 to the power 4, right? Is it clear? Now what we have to do? Can you tell me?
You have to take the common multiples.
Yes. After
and then
this,
multiply it.
what?
You have to take out the common multiples and multiply it.
We have to take
The common multiples.
common
and multiply
multiples. So here it is 2 to the power 4 and here it is 2 to the power 2 and 2 to the power 4 and here it is 3. Let's think what we have to do now. Hmm.
2 into 2. So you just have to take out which numbers from the top and bottom are the same.
As you can see here, what we are finding? Highest common factor, right?
X, yeah.
It's mean we have to take common factor, na? We have to take common factor, right? Here you can see the 2 is the common factor for both 12 and 16, right? 3 is not the common factor, na? Right? So here the HCF of 12 and 16 will be, now you have to write those factors which are common, okay, which are common. So here you can see 2 3 and again 2. There are two different numbers. First is 2 and the another is 3, but the common number is 2. How many 2's are common in both?
2.
2 2's are common, right? As you can see here there are 2 2's and here there are 4. So if we have to take the common 2's, we can take 2 2's as common, right? है ना? Here we are finding common factor, na? So we will write the common factor only, okay? So here 2 to the power 2 means 4 will be the correct answer. Is it clear? Did you got it? Now will you be confused in listing method or prime factorization method? No? As you can see here, once again I am explaining, you are finding common factors. It's mean you have to find the common factor. Why we didn't take 3? Because 3 is not the common factor, na? If 3 will be here, then we can take it, okay? In the second number, if 3 will be here, then we can take it, otherwise no, right? Here you can see only 2 is in common, right? And how many 2's? So 2 2's we can take as a common, right? So these 2 2's we will write here because we can take it as common, and these 2 2's means 2 to the power 2, or you can say 2 into 2 means 4. So 4 will be the highest common factor, okay? Now let's see here the division method. Can I erase this one? है ना? This we got this one with the help of prime factorization, as the meaning is already hidden. What we have to do, it is already hidden in the heading, right? Prime factorization means we have to do prime factorize. Okay, now the next one, which is listing method, which is long division method. Long division method. Okay, now can you tell me what we have to do? The steps are already hidden here. Division, it's mean we have to divide. What we have to do? We have to divide. So as we know that we divide the greatest number with the smallest number, right? So here we will divide 16 by 12, right? Okay, let's see here. In how many times we can divide it?
What?
12, 16. In how many? One. No, we have to know, we have to not do the full division, just divide it, है ना? So we can divide it in first time. 12 ones are 12. Okay, here we will get 4, right? 4 as a remainder. Now this 4 will be the divisor, and this 12 will be the remainder, dividend. This 12 will be the dividend, means this divisor in the next step, the previous divisor in the next step become dividend and the remainder become divisor. Is it clear? We will continue it till we will get the remainder as 0. Okay, and the last divisor will be the answer. So as you can see here, 4 3s are 12. Here the remainder is 0 and the last divisor is
4.
So HCF of 12 and 16 will be 4. Is it clear? It's too simple. So as you can see here, with the all three methods we get the same answer, right? And in all three, the what we have to do, it is already hidden in the name, right? Here it is written listing. It's mean we have to create list, we have to make list, right? Here it is written prime factorization. It's mean we have to just prime factorize it, right? Here it is written division method. It's mean we have to divide it, है ना? And the concept of division we already know कि we have to divide the greatest number from smallest number, right? Greatest number will be the dividend and the smallest will be the divisor. So in the next step, the remainder will become the divisor and divisor become the dividend. Okay, if suppose here we will get 2 after subtracting, suppose we get 2 as a remainder, then again we will do it. 2 will be the divisor and 4 will be the dividend. Now this 2 2 ja 4 crash, and here 2 will be the answer. Okay, so the last we will continue it till we will get the remainder as 0, and the last divisor will be the answer. Is it clear or any doubt? No na? Now you can do it na? Okay, so please try to solve it and I will give you a question as homework. Okay.
Okay.
You have to find the, this is the homework. Okay, HCF of 40 and 60 with all these three methods.
No.
Okay,
Okay.
is it tough?
No.
Okay, so you have to do you have to find the HCF, highest common factor, and mention the method also.
60.
Before solving, mention the method also, so that I can, when I will check or when your teacher will check, they can understand by which method you solved it. Okay, is it clear? So please note down it, and you have to submit the homework today by 9 p.m. Okay, 9 is your deadline. You have to submit the previous homework, and these which you have note in your classwork copy, the notes, first note down it in fair copy, and then after that send me, and this homework also, LCM of 40 and 60. Okay, so please note down it. For today, that's all.